In this video, you are going to obtain the value of dy and dx from the given equation x squared y plus 2xy minus x squared minus y squared is equal to 0. So this is an implicit function. We are going to differentiate it implicitly so that we obtain the following. So we shall differentiate this by product rule. So we own y constant and differentiate x squared with respect to x, which is 2x multiplied by y, plus we differentiate y. Y now we shall differentiate it implicitly, holding x squared constant, so it is x squared multiplied by dy dx plus 2x. 2x differentiated will be 2 multiplied by y, it will be 2y. Next, we differentiate we differentiate y. When we differentiate y, holding 2x constant, you will have 2x dy dx. You differentiate x squared, which is 2x minus 2y dy. The next step, you collect the terms with dy dx. Collecting the terms with dx, which is x squared dy plus 2x dy dx minus 2y dy dx, then plus 2xy, the one which is here, then minus 2x is equal to 0. Then we factorize dy dx at this point so that we obtain. So here we shall be left with x squared minus 2y, everything dy dx, plus 2xy plus 2y minus 2x is equal to 0. Then we take this part on the right hand side so that we obtain. So when you take this term on the left hand side, this negative 2x will become positive. Positive 2xy will become negative 2xy. Positive 2y will become negative 2y. Then the objective is to obtain dy dx. So we divide both sides by x squared plus 2x minus 2y. So dy dx will be equal to this part here divided by x squared plus 2x minus 2y as follows. So our dy dx is equal to 2x minus 2y divided by x squared plus 2x minus 2y. So that is how you obtain the derivative of an implicit function. Our function was this. Then you have differentiated this by product rule, whereby we have earned y constant and differentiated the x squared to obtain 2x multiplied by y. Then we have earned the x squared constant and we have differentiated y, whereby we have obtained dy dx plus multiplied by x squared, then plus 2. When you differentiate x, it will be 1. 1 times 2 times y is 2y, plus you hold 2x constant and you differentiate y with respect to dx. So it is 2x dy dx. Then when you differentiate x squared, it will be 2x. Because of this negative, now we have negative 2x. Then we differentiate y squared with respect to x, it is 2y dy and dx. Next thing, we have grouped the terms with the dy and dx together here. Then we have factorized dy dx outside as shown here. And we have taken this part to the right hand side so that their respective signs have changed. And finally, we have divided both signs by x squared plus 2x minus 2y so that we obtain dy dx as equal to this part function. Let us try another example. So given this function, s cubic plus 2y cubic minus 3xy minus 2y is equal to 0, you are going to obtain dy dx. So we begin by differentiating this function as follows. So when you differentiate x cubic, it will be 3x squared plus, when you differentiate y cubic with respect to x, it will be 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6, y squared dy dx minus, you differentiate x holding 3 and y constant, so it will be 1. 3 times 1 is 3 times y 3y. Then you differentiate y holding 3x constant so that you will obtain dy and dx multiplied by 3x. Then you differentiate y with respect to x, which is dy dx multiplied by this 2, which is negative 2. Dy dx is equal to 0. Then we factor the terms with dy dx. So when we factorize dy and dx, we shall be left with the 6y squared. Here we shall be left with the negative 3x. Here we shall be left with the negative 2. Then we take this part on the right hand side so that it becomes, so this negative will become positive, so we shall have positive 3y minus 3x squared. Then from there, we divide by 6y squared minus 3x minus 2, so that you obtain our dy dx as follows. So dividing both sides with 6y squared minus 3x minus 2, we shall be left with our dy dx is equal to 3y minus 3x squared divided by 6y squared minus 3x minus 2. So that is how we obtain the derivative of implicit function in those simple method step. For more such learning, kindly tune out to my YouTube channel so that we may learn together. You can also consider subscribing to this channel so that you will be notified whenever there is a new release. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video as we keep on learning. Remember to leave a thumb up for me in this video if you have learned anything of value from it. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.